Shiatsu, originating from Japan, has been used for centuries to treat the energy system of the body for health and wellness. Hi, my name is Christina Biergo. I'm a Shiatsu, a Japanese massage practitioner. So here's how you can apply Shiatsu for sinus headaches. Sinuses below, pressure or pain below the eyes. Go along the pupil line, about half an inch to an inch. And just apply pressure where it feels like it's relieving. Little circles are good just to get some movement. Sinus tension can also build up in the forehead. So often just at the beginning of the eyebrows is a good place to also apply some Shiatsu techniques of pressure. As well as the center line of between the eyebrows. And since we also want to encourage the downward draining of any pressure, we want to also massage a little bit of Shiatsu pressure in the back of the neck. Just kind of a downward pressure, starting at the base of the occiput and moving down to the shoulders. Another really good point to help the immune system fight sinuses is go using your leg just below the kneecap on the lateral side of the bone. Using a loose fist, we're going to just kind of apply nice pressure. This is strengthening the body's immune system and ability to fight off any sinus infections. These are just a few Shiatsu techniques you can apply at home to treat sinus headaches.